Hello, this is my enhancement week number 2 for week 3. I'm going to be showing you how to put all my SQLs into my PHP. So here we have the first one, which I go ahead and copy and take to my PHP admin page, and we'll go here to the SQL and put this in, and then hit go. And so this takes you and shows you your clients, and it put it in. So you can see that it has a client and it's all in there. So let's go back here. You can take this and update his level to level 3. Go to the SQL. Put it in. Go. You can now see that his level changed to level 3. So we'll go back to SQL and update our inventory of the climbing rope. Let's go to SQL. Paste that in. Go to inventory. Once it loads, go down and we can see the nylon rope is changed here. We'll now go back and get this next one here, which go to SQL. Paste that in and paste. We can see that it joins all our lists together, so we can see everything together. Our clients and inventory, categories and inventories together. And then we'll take our last one here, SQL. You see that it wants to delete this from our inventory. So if we go to our inventory, as it loads, you can see that number 7 is gone, so it has deleted it. So now you can see, we can go back to my page here, and we can see the connection page that I have for that, which I will now run for you. So if I get a new one and start this. Localhost Acme Library connection page. You can see that it comes up blank, which means there are no errors. So now if I go back and change one thing in here, save that, and then rerun it, it takes me to my 500 error page. So that's my video on SQL this week and the things I learned. Thank you.